Good morning, everybody. Chloe this morning woke up about 8:30. She's screaming again, but I don't know. I tend to wake up a little bit earlier than her, like just by a few minutes. It always just happens. Like just enough time for me to like wash up, wake myself up nicely, and all of that. But so since she woke up crying, and then I was able to soothe her and put her back down for a little bit. So now I'm kind of just picking up, but I hear her now, so. I better go check on her before she gets mad. Hi, silly. Hi. What's she doing? Huh, silly? You have a new way to watch your movies? How about we change diaper, huh? Bless you! You're so cute. It's gonna be a hot day today, supposed to be, so maybe we should change you out of that long sleeve, huh? Look at this little girl. Hi. You like my Christmas pants, huh? Yeah. These are my Christmas pants from Old Navy like years ago. Yeah? Oh, really, huh? Okay, well, there's your toys. What shirt you want to wear? Huh? What do you want to wear today? Oh, really? Yeah, you ready to come out?
Isn't she so cute?
And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With the moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Yeah.
Hey babe, guess what?
What?
This today makes 1 month exactly of vlogging.
Really?
Yeah.
That's on followers. Mom gets one famous.
Oh, fine. Chloe. Yeah? Where'd Daddy go? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. I love how she makes her lips. With the moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. No? E-I-E-I-O.
Chloe.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. What you got there? It's like as big as her head, yeah.
crashing.
Chloe, do you hear them cheering? You know, there's a Seattle Seahawks game going on around when all of our neighbors are screaming and yelling. What Daddy got? What's Daddy got? Here, Daddy, you can dump it all in here after.
Okay. Here, try this.
Oh. Mmm. Mmm.
We gotta get more of these for her, I guess. It's good for her, you know.
Especially now that she can have the yogurt and stuff. I wonder if do they have yogurt in like those applesauce squeeze pouches?
I think so. She ain't letting it go.
Okay, Chloe, this isn't bottomless, okay? I'm just letting you know it does run out.
Just 2 months ago it was $600.
No, don't touch. Babe, a blob fell off this. Someone really likes yogurt.
That last crash is really hurting it. Cause Mom Gox is gone, so bro.
All gone.
You saw that face she made when she tried it.
Okay, you keep sucking on that end and I'll squeeze up anything else that's left.
It was like this, yeah. Man, I love that face she makes, man.
When she tries something new.
And she likes it.
I need a napkin too, babe. Yeah. Look, more grass. Huh? Oh boy. Look, another little girl. Oh! Is that a leaf? Not in your mouth though. Oh, go get it! Come, Chloe. Chloe. Yeah, come honey. Let's go. Ew, no taste good, huh? Come on. Those are leaves and the grass. The grass. Where are you going, honey? Come here. Come. Come, Chloe. Hey. Come here. Come on. Where are you going? Excuse me, you're not invited over there, Missy. Come here. Let's go back this way. No. Chloe. Where are you going? Where are you going? Turn around. Go back. What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hey. Ready? I see you. Okay, Daddy, pick her up. You're gonna climb up?